Samsung S24 Ultra. How do you enable developer options? Let's go, guys. It's simple. You're going to start by clicking here on Settings. Here in Settings, scroll down. You can go all the way to the bottom and click here About Phone. You'll come to this page. Here. Scroll down a bit and click here. Software information. Click it. Alright, here you'll find the build number and you're going to tap it 7 times. Tapped it. It will ask you to enter your PIN, so type in your PIN and this message will appear. To activate it, just click OK and you'll see that developer mode has been enabled. You can go back now. When you click here now on Settings again, scroll all the way down and you'll find this developer option here. You can click on it, and by clicking on it you guys can access advanced settings, okay? And to disable it is very simple. Just turn it off by clicking up here, okay? It's really simple. I hope I helped. If I did, then don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.